Hello viewers, in the previous video we finished installing our Moodle. Okay, and before we go into any configuration, I want to show you how to install the Moodle theme. Okay, so that we can configure our we use the theme to do our configuration instead of just using the default one. Okay, you can still use the default one, but we show you how to install another theme if you don't want the default one. Okay, so what you need to do is just go to Moodle plugins. Let's go to this page here. Okay, when you come here, we want to search for theme. Okay, you can search from here. Okay, you can just search. What we are going to look for is a theme called Adaptable. So let me select theme in the category and noun. Okay, this is Adaptable Theme. I'm going to click on it. You can see download current version available. Okay, so just click on download. Okay, okay, it will take you to this version area. Then you just select the latest version. This one is from Moodle 4.1, but we are using Moodle 4.2, which is okay. It's going to run smoothly. So I'm going to click download, and now it is going to be saved in my download folder. I'll just click there and it has been downloaded. So to install it, I will go to my Moodle website and click on site administration. Just click on the plugin. Inside the plugin area, you will see install plugin. Okay, and then you need to select, you choose file, click on choose file, because I want to install the one we downloaded. Okay, you can see upload file here, and now click choose. Then you need to go to the download file or wherever you save your file. So this is the adaptable theme we just downloaded. I click open and now click upload. Install from the zip file. Okay, install from the zip file. Click on it. So it is going to run the installation. You can see it has validated, and we can continue the installation. Just click continue. It is loading the file. Okay, so it just check all the requirement, and I think it meet all the requirement for the installation. Just click continue here. Okay, plugin check. Now click on upgrade Moodle database now. Upgrade to new version. Click continue. Okay, so this new setting just show up here, but I don't want to set anything. So in the next video I will show you how to set it up, but just scroll down. Just scroll down and click save changes. Okay, so you still need to click on save changes here. Congratulations guys, you have successfully installed Moodle theme, but it has not been applied to our website. To actually make this theme to reflect our website, all we need to do is to click on appearance. Then you select theme selector. Just click theme selector. Now click on change theme. Here you can see the theme we install. Click on it, adaptable. Just click on use theme. Alright guys, you can see our website has changed now, and we have successfully installed the theme and change it to reflect to our website. Now click continue. Okay, so if you go to home page now, okay, this is how how the website look like. Not too bad. We are going to start adding content later. Okay, you can see this in this message block in this area will only be visible to admin user. Okay, this is not an error, just telling you what is going to show when we start adding content. Okay, so we just finished installing our theme, and we have changed it to adapt our website. So in the next video tutorial we are going to configure the theme and start building our courses and other activities. Okay, thank you. I remember Noleguchigoze from Osia Web Tech.